Oh, wow. Hello everyone. My name is GW Stefini, and welcome to another food adventure. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of Asian desserts, but not just any desserts. We're on a mission to find the most unbelievable, the most creative, the most mind-blowingly delicious. From textures that will make you go whoa, to flavors that blend sweet and savory and everything in between. This is going to be an incredible journey for our taste buds. It's one thing to have a traditional dessert, but it's another to see how a new generation of chefs and creators are taking those flavors and completely reinventing them. I am so excited for this. We're about to explore 10 unbelievable Asian desserts that are pushing all the boundaries of what sweet can be. Okay, first up, we have to talk about something that has taken the entire world by storm. Boba. But we're not just talking about the drink. Oh no, it has evolved. We're talking about boba desserts. Imagine taking those chewy, bouncy, caramelized tapioca pearls and putting them everywhere. On top of a creamy, rich cheesecake baked into a fluffy milk tea-flavored cake, or even swirled into a decadent ice cream. It's a phenomenon that's all about one thing: texture. That contrast between the soft, yielding dessert and the firm, satisfying chew is incredible. You'll find boba lava cakes where you cut in and a cascade of warm brown sugar pearls just flows out. It's pure food theater. Visually, it's stunning. That river of dark pearls against a light cake is made for the camera. And the flavors mimic the drink: oolong or Thai tea notes in cake and cream, plus the pearls. You're literally eating a deconstructed bubble tea. From high-end patisseries to local bakeries, everyone's putting their spin on it. A true textural revolution. It's genius, it's delicious, and that chew is so addictive you can't stop. Do you remember when the internet collectively lost its mind over Dalgona coffee? Whip instant coffee, sugar, and hot water until it's a light, airy, mousse-like cloud. Now imagine that texture transformed into desserts. Dalgona mousse, stabilized with gelatin or cream, is unbelievably light with a powerful coffee punch. Dalgona ice creams swirl intense coffee through a creamy base. That contrast is just wow. It's incredibly photogenic, designed for social media. Chefs layer it into tiramisu-like parfaits or frost cakes, so coffee is the star, bold and unapologetic. Even Dalgona candies nod to Korean honeycomb toffee. From cheap instant coffee to gourmet creations, for coffee lovers, a dream come true. We are now in the realm of Japanese souffle pancakes, and they're not your ordinary breakfast. Tall, airy, famous for one thing: that mesmerizing jiggle. They quiver and dance when served. Pure entertainment before the first bite. The secret is a meringue batter with whipped egg whites folded in to trap air. Cooked low and slow in molds, they puff into magnificent cloud-like towers. The texture melts in your mouth, warm vanilla-scented clouds. Served in stacks of 2 or 3, topped simply or lavishly. Powdered sugar, butter and maple, rich matcha cream, berries and fresh whip, even a tiramisu take. The best versions keep balance. Light cream cheese foam, sauces from Japanese strawberries or white peaches. It's the sight of the jiggle, the melt in your mouth feel, and the sheer joy, happiness on a plate. You may have heard of taiyaki, fish-shaped pastry, often with sweet red bean, a comforting classic. Now meet croissant taiyaki, buttery, flaky croissant layers pressed in the fish mold. As it cooks, butter crisps the layers, unbelievably flaky, golden, and shatter crisp. Bite in, pastry shatters, warm, gooey filling flows, traditional and wild, red bean, custard, Nutella and banana, sweet potato paste, even savory ham and cheese or spicy sausage. My favorite, dark chocolate that pools like lava. Its slight bitterness with buttery layers is perfection. Often rolled in coarse sugar before pressing, it caramelizes for extra crunch and sweetness. A modern, accessible twist on a street legend. Flaky, buttery, filled with deliciousness, a must-try. Cool. There's a vibrant, majestic, deep purple you can't ignore. Ube, the Filipino purple yam. Originating in the Philippines, ube tastes subtly sweet, nutty, vanilla-like with hints of coconut. A comforting classic in halaya and ice cream. Recently, it's exploded worldwide. Chefs love its color and versatile flavor. Think vibrant cheesecakes, soft crinkle cookies dusted in sugar, and babkas with purple swirl. For the Filipino diaspora, it's heritage celebrated. For newcomers, it's jaw-dropping color and unique taste. It adds moistness to baked goods, making cakes and breads tender. Its mild flavor pairs beautifully with coconut, cheese, and white chocolate. From oob lattes and pancakes to toastable spreads. Innovation is endless, flavor, texture, and story in one. A traditional ingredient reinterpreted in modern ways. That gorgeous purple hue is the bonus. When it's hot, nothing beats a mountain of shaved ice, but boutique shops freeze milk or mango-infused milk instead of water. Shaved, it becomes silky ribbons, soft as fresh snow, creamy and delicate. Then come generous cubes of perfectly ripe mango atop creamy shaved milk. Pure tropical bliss. Modern versions layer textures. Panna cotta, cheesecake chunks, chewy taro balls, passion fruit coulis, a scoop of mango or vanilla, and a drizzle of condensed milk. Each spoonful is a new adventure. Creamy, fruity, chewy, sweet. A towering beauty you eat with your eyes first. Gourmet shaved ice reinvented. Simple idea, exquisite execution. Across Asia, the beloved QQ texture, soft, bouncy, springy chew, rules desserts like boba and mochi. Mochi ice cream is a classic, ice cream wrapped in pounded rice dough. Now, doughs are flavored. Matcha, black sesame, strawberry, and fillings get inventive. Imagine creamy cheese foam inside, or a whole fresh strawberry hugged by red bean. Snowskin and crystal mochi deliver softer, delicate translucence. A huge trend, brown sugar lava mochi. A deep, molasses-like syrup bursts when you bite. A flavor and texture explosion. Beyond mochi, chewy taro balls, sweet potato balls, adding QQ to shaved ice and dessert soups. It's a multi-sensory pursuit. Creamy, crunchy, chewy. That QQ bounce keeps you coming back for another bite. Matcha, finely ground green tea, offers slight bitterness, grassy notes, deep umami, and a sweet finish. From tea ceremonies and ice cream to matcha everything. Think a rich matcha custard tart or a lava cake that oozes white chocolate matcha ganache. Perfectly balanced, not overly sweet. Chefs source ceremonial-grade matcha for smoother flavor and vibrant color. Quality elevates everything. Its umami bridges sweet and savory. Matcha tiramisu shines. That brilliant green stuns. Swirled cheesecakes, dusted creme brulee, milk crepe layers. From Basque burnt cheesecake to delicate macarons, earthy, rich, unique, matcha proves endlessly versatile. Black sesame, deep, nutty, toasty, slightly bitter, a centuries-old dessert staple reborn. Picture pitch-black soft serve with intense earthy flavor, a total showstopper. Or a black sesame Basque burnt cheesecake, scorched top, silky gray heart. Modern plating elevates it. A black sesame millefeuille marries French technique and Asian depth. Nutty, earthy profiles surge. Tahini-infused buttercreams, pastries with fragrant peanut pastes. That dramatic black against white plates is pure artistry. Bold flavors finally in the spotlight. It's comfort and sophistication at once. A chic comeback that's here to stay. We're diving into savory sweet fusions. Cheese tea, Taiwan-born, tops black, green, or oolong tea with a thick, salty sweet cream cheese foam. One sip, and whoa. Tea's bitterness and aroma meet creamy, lightly salty foam. Unexpectedly addictive. Savory elements explode. Salted egg yolk in croissants, in ice cream, even in lava cakes. A rich umami counterpoint to sweetness. From soy sauce-kissed ice cream to cheese tarts with a salty crust. Surprising, bold, and deeply satisfying. A little salt and umami heighten flavors and fight palate fatigue. The delicious shock of the unexpected. It challenges what dessert can be, and proves contrast is craveable. Wow, what an incredible and incredibly sweet adventure that was. From the chewy explosion of boba in a cake to the salty, creamy surprise of cheese foam on tea, we tasted how tradition and modernity collide to create unbelievable flavors and textures. Food is connection. The people, the culture, the joy of sharing. Huge thanks to the chefs, bakers, and creators pushing boundaries. Which dessert would you try most? Tell me in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, hit thumbs up and subscribe for more food adventures. My name is GW Stefini. Thank you for watching. Stay hungry, stay curious, and keep exploring the amazing world of food. Goodbye for now.